So this is a 1996 Chevrolet K1500 with a 5.7 liter. I did redid the head gaskets, aftermarket, exhaust, headers. Set the valve last right, so that's right, but here's what it does. She backfires through the upper plenum, like she's sucking too much air. I even got the upgraded spider injected conversion kit. She wants to start, but she's got compression, she's got fuel, she's got spark. See, she wants to start. If one of my fellow old timers could help me out, that would be great. I'm thinking it might be a bent valve because the push rods were bent when I pulled it apart. If one of my old timers from YouTube could give me a hand on this or a comment below, it'd be greatly appreciated. I even reran ground straps on it all, this being one of them, and I ran its own separate one down there. You see right there. Check the crankshaft position sensor down below on the crank, and it's got power, it's got ground, it's got signal. I don't seem to be getting any resistance. This guy, throttle position sensor, I don't know. I heard it could do this, but I'm not throwing parts at it, because everything I troubleshoot it to and replace it, it's just the same issue. Someone could please give me a hand. It would be greatly appreciated. This truck has a lot of sentimental value to me. Drop comments down below, please and thank you. And make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.